Hi, I'm Roland and welcome back to Practical Plastic. So today, while I'm petting my dog here, I'm going to talk about a couple of different quick little things because I know I have been away from posting things for a little while, and that's a little, just wanted to touch on that briefly, but mostly good and interesting stuff that I just wanted to share with you. So first off, want to start. I know I always say in my videos, thank you for watching and subscribing and all of that. And I do genuinely appreciate that. But today, particularly big thank you because looking over my statistics for the channel and the Practical Plastic, my little very part-time endeavor here to share with you the hobby and hopefully provide some meaningful content for you. The channel has now surpassed 100,000 views and 10,000 watch hours and 3,000 subscribers. So that is all you people, my good hobby people, taking the time out and watch what I do here. And I very much appreciate that. My goal here, as I have said in other occasions scattered throughout the episodes, is to share the hobby and help promote it, and for people who are new or coming back to it, to hopefully help you along in enjoying not only building one particular thing, but in building a number of different things in hobby. So whether it's plastic models, cars, trucks, Gundams, mecha, whatever the case may be, I've done some woodcraft, the Starry Nights, some mechanical things, the mechanical beetle I did it from Roker. Anyway, uh, thank you for spending your time with me. So, where are things at today, and why have I been absent for a little while? So, I had finished my last build, and my goal was, and this will be discussed in an upcoming build episode, but I was going to run away to Florida for 2 weeks to get away from the last stubborn, clinging remnant of cold weather in New York. And while I was down there, I was going to build the SNAA Nether Emperor, this mecha build, which very cool. So can't wait for that video to go up. At this point, not going to get into talking about him too much, but just this is the raw build. I haven't done any panel lining or decals yet. So that obviously I'll show in the final build. And when I came back from Florida, my goal was to dig into this Revell 1967 Corvette. And as you can see from a box of untouched parts, haven't made any progress there. So why? Well, I came back from Florida and I've dropped a few hints because, I don't want to go into information overload on things. I do have a few health issues. When I came back from Florida, having a bit of a tough time with all of that, and I just didn't have anything in me to come down here and sit and work on hobby stuff. So, good news is that seems to be getting a little bit better, which is why I'm sitting here today doing this video. But it was not my intention for basically a month to go by without posting anything. So my apology on that, but it is what it is, right? We all have our things we have to deal with. And hobby time is supposed to be happy escape time, so not going to dwell on that. Next thing, which is really exciting for me. I hope it's exciting for you. For those of you who watch my videos in their entirety, you'll have noticed at the end, and in other videos I have mentioned it off the cuff here and there, I'm also an author, and I've published a number of books. If you'll excuse me a moment to toot my horn, but to give you a little background on that, so I have 7 books that I've published. Traditional press and self-publish under an imprint I set up just for matters of content control. But, books have been pretty well received. I have 14 or so National Book Awards that I've received. I was president of Long Island Authors Group, my local authors group, for a while. Leading up to COVID, I grew that to 100 members. We were going all over my local area of Long Island, where I live, taking the group and showing off our books and introducing ourselves to the community. I've been on national TV, local TV, blah, 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 blah. So I was getting around. COVID kind of blew all that apart, but because of the lockdown. But in any event, long story short, I'm very happy to say that after sitting on a number of manuscripts for a while that were publication ready, because I wasn't sure how to restart things, last year I just decided to take my most recent book and get back to publishing. So back in February, my 8th book, Advent Blue, came out. This is live on Amazon right now. Print, Kindle. Very excited about this. I haven't spoke about this earlier on the channel because at the time this came out, again, not to get into drama, but my mom passed away and stuff going on. It's always stuff, right? Life is stuff. Or as the saying goes, life is what happens after you make plans. And I feel like I am living that to the T for the last 2 years. So in any event, Advent Blue is out. You can check it out, as I said, on Amazon in print and Kindle. This is a near-term sci-fi psychological thriller. It's about a guy who works for an all-encompassing tech conglomerate and gets roped into all sorts of very gray moralistic areas and questioning whether he is doing something good or simply being manipulated to ulterior hidden motives. So, pretty topical. Happy to say, from initial release, I've had a number of reviews for the book, and it's being very well received. I'll put over here some screenshots. Over at Feathered Quill Book Reviews, 5 stars. Over at Pacific Book Review, 5 stars, was selected as a notable book for reading. At Reader's Favorite, 5 stars, over 5 different reviews, and I believe that's it. If not, I'll put another one up here as well and remind myself. But in any event, I just wanted to make that formal announcement. So even though this channel is about building stuff, writing a book is building, and creativity is creativity. It's just how you choose to express it. So doing all of this with my hobbies down here is just another form of expression to me. And I love, as I'm doing now, looking over my builds, and every build is its own story, so to speak. So that's all. Going to hopefully get back and get this Corvette built, because this is looks to be a really cool kit, and it's really been bugging me that I haven't been able to come down here and work on that. So that's all for today. Gonna get back to it. In the meantime, as always, enjoy your hobby, and in light of the things I was saying, enjoy building your own stories around what you're doing with your builds, and enjoying your creativity as you well should. So that's that. All right. Thank you.